So, hello, beautiful, once again. Welcome to another round. Round number of 2 of this stream, at least. And we are doing Angular. We are also doing a typing exercise, and I set up yesterday a new personal best, which is of 0.75748% error rate, which is awesome. So let's see if I can make something similar today. Let's get into it. That kind of felt good. Oh wow, look at that. Look at that. Oh, that's so cool. I didn't thought that I will be able. That's pretty neat if you ask me. So it is 0.862% and 39 BPM. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, fuck. So I still free. That was, to be fair, it was a really short lesson, so I have a much higher probability. But I take it. Oh. Oops. Oh well. And it's about time. I always want to, like, in the word white space, I always tend to like press the shift like this. S should be capital. Okay. %6 is good for me too. So we have a 6 and 41. Let's see, it's better than all-time average and better than average for the last 7 days. Which is pretty cool. Wow, look at that. The average for me, like last 3 days, is 4.74. That's so cool. I started on like 10 or something % average, which is cool. Maybe this shouldn't be like all-time average, but it should be like month before that, month before that, month before that. All right. Yeah. So might be even more motivating. Anyway, we will learn about the plus. Someone told me in the chat through Lugama, skilled developer. Okay, I'll start the timer. Okay, so we did not code it yet, right? I still don't know why do we do this plus thing, but we haven't set the hero property on the hero detail component, so we will do that. Hero detail component, here we go, and here we will set the things up, and we say oh come on, this hero service dot get I have just get heroes. Okay, maybe I can filter out, right? Get heroes dot, how did he do that? Yep, get hero. I don't have get hero in there, I think. Did I miss something? What the hell? Well, I can do that like fairly easily, but I don't remember we were doing get hero. So get hero like that. So the first occurrence is here. So we didn't change it yet. Yeah, and here they are saying like edit. Okay. I will try to implement it by myself and then ask for, well, okay, so we will do this. We'll do what they are doing, what they are saying in here. So we have, I'm in the wrong file. Here we go. So this will be not get heroes, but get hero. We will subscribe to it because it is a synchronous event. So we do scribe, and into here we should pass a, what's wrong? Oh yeah, because linting. Yes, I know. Let's go. And here we should provide callback method, which will be executed on fulfilling that what is it called? It's not promise, it's observable. Observable. So we will take the arrow and we will assign it to this dot hero equals hero equals arrow. That should fix the thing. We have one problem, and that is this doesn't exist. So if I do Alt Enter, I can create a method from here, and so I'll try. Well, I'm getting ahead of myself a little bit. Let's read first what the plus thing meant. I know what the next steps will be. So the road snapshot is the static image of the road information shortly after component was created. Okay. The param map is a dictionary. Okay, and dictionary, that is a map basically, I think. Coming from, you know, like old Java and in Python, maps are called dictionary there. Values extracted from the ID. So that means here it says 11, but when we were creating that in the heroes detail component, not heroes, it was just heroes component, we were putting in like the ID. Well, there was a number which we passed, but this doesn't tell us it is a ID actually. It will tell us in the road, or in the routing module, right? Yes, here we go. You see, it's semicolon and ID. So I think this is how the other thing can tell that it is a ID, what we want. Okay, and there was this plus thingy, which we still don't know what it does. The param map is the dictionary. Yes. Road parameters are always strings. Okay, so and the plus converts its string to a number. Okay, so that's a feature of what happened. Suddenly there's a lot of people. No way! 22. Welcome everybody. welcome to the channel. And thank you, Ria, for the raid. Appreciate it. I'm learning Angular today. Yes. You were brought here against your film. Oh well, yeah, you can leave. That's okay. Oh, thank you for the follow, Lukepat. Appreciate it. So many people from so many countries. I have this open all the time at the side. It's pretty nice. Oh, the US is leading today, followed by United Kingdom and Germany, and then we have like a huge split in the wow. And yeah, people are going away. Okay. Thank you for the raid, Ria. How was your stream? How was your stream? She was dancing in the chat. Oh, well, maybe she was really glad to see you, I guess. Well, yeah. Well, this is a new feature of a channel, and that is Yeah, that's here in the background, and we have a new like channel points redeem thingy, and that is this, the change IDE background. So it has to be safe for work, so no porn pictures and so on. But you can redeem that, and then you know, like I have the image in my background for the development. What if you work in the porn industry? Okay, I should say safe for Twitch. That's true. Yeah, and I don't work in porn industry, so there's that. And I my guess would be you do not work there neither. Maybe I'm mistaken. Are you sure? I'm not. Oh, well, also, the main gig is like to tell everyone new, welcome to the channel. Once again, is I split my programming into sessions. I'm doing the second round, which you can see here, and I split it into like intervals. For 5 minutes, I trained some secondary thing which you need for programming. It could be typing, it could be IDE knowledge or something like that. Lately I'm doing typing only. And then for 25 minutes, which I paused right now to talk to, I build some applications. I go through tutorials. So far I built really simple stupid things, so don't expect any professional level, well, professional grade beginner level stuff you can see. So I built this CLI tool which tracks my typing progress. So you can see like this is my average all time, which are started to track like 2 weeks ago or so. That's where I wrote this application. And you can see I'm improving. This is the error rate, and it's going down, down. And this is my personal best, which I set the day before yesterday. Nice. And also you can see like the BPM increases, but that is kind of secondary to me right now because I have still a new keyboard, you can say, and I'm doing a lot of typos. So I'm basically learning to type again. Not that I would be a fast typer beforehand, but yeah, that's that. I'm using these timers, so I decided to build my own as well. And I need to. It is a QWERTY. It is a QWERTY, but I did change a lot of things. You know, oh, where's this? Here it is. You know, like this keyboard has like layers, like all the keys are different places, and when I press this, for example, it is the enter key. This is the escape. This is a tabulator. So yeah, this acts as a semicolon or control, either like if you tap it or hold it. So it's a little bit getting used to, but I'm liking it so far. So that's the one application, well, my keyboard, and then I built this stopwatch, which is also like really simple application. It looks like this. I can drag it around. I can say do 1 hour, 22 minutes, 33 seconds. I can start it. I can reset it. Yeah, and so on. So fairly simple things I do here at the moment. Yeah, that's trying to learn, trying to improve. That's the name of the game here. So a lot of struggling and beginner stuff, or the basics, you can say. That's what we are doing here. Okay, so I hope you now know what you are getting into, and we can continue. I will resume the clock and stare into the abyss and try to understand the meaning of the life and my future and everything. The browser. Okay, so this is convert string to a number, which is it's a weird property. I already forgot about it. Like this converts that. Yeah, this little plus converts that to a. But if you have a string, oh, well, string in JavaScript is like that. Suddenly, you know, it is a. Huh. If I don't make the, what is this? Missing white space. Okay, so if I do this and that, it is okay. Yeah, it is. Weird stuff. But if I do this, it is a string again. Oh well, that is that. That is that. Okay, so now we know that this converts what we get, the string, to a number. And then, oh, hold on. I need to provide here the parameter, right? So ID will be the name. And now we will get to know that we have to change this to the signature. That is, would be, we will get in ID of type integer. Is that a type in a, no, number? Is that a type? Okay, that is type. Okay, so void, we will, oh no, we will return hero. Hero, here we go. And now it complains that we are not returning anything, but that is okay, because now we will learn that we should do that. So to get hero, oh, we are returning observable. Yeah, sure, and we are calling the okay. So I will try to do it myself. So insert, and we say observable of hero, and now we will, yeah, the first thing, we were sending some message, right, that we are getting a hero with ID. So we will use the message service, this dot message service dot add. There will be some message, so let's say hero service and what it did, and we are I don't know, get hero, and we can do this, right? ID, and this was, how do you do that in JavaScript? That was like $, and that, but I have to use the different ticks, right? That is how it goes, right? Right, guys? Yeah, it changed color. Let's see, it changed color. That means good, right? Usually, sometimes when it's not red, it's good. And I say ID. This is how it works. I hope so. And now we need to return the stuff, right? In JS, yeah. Cool. So I guess right. And we will return the thing, right? So we will get well, we need to do off, which creates, what happened? Off, because that creates an observable of something, and inside we will be, go away, we will search the heroes, this guy, and we say find There we go. And now we provide a callback function, and if that callback function returns true, the find will return that entry in the it's not called collection in JavaScript, is it? In the array. I don't know how is it called in JavaScript and TypeScript. So it will be okay. So that will be hero, and we will return hero.id equals to ID, I think. Okay, and then at the end, we return. Okay, so maybe this is correct. So let's compare it to. You know what? Let's go YOLO and try if that actually works. So we go to the heroes. So step number 1. Dr. Nice, and look at that, it works. I got Dr. Nice details, and then I don't need this because I wasn't sure if the component shows at all. So we will remove it. That is in the hero detail component. It's the top line. Here we go. Bye bye. And now it's gone already. You see. There's just the name of the hero, and there's details, and here we can change it, I suppose. XMX Studio. There we go. That works. And now if we go to heroes, we have a XMX Studio on the first page. Oh, Invisible Programmer! Thank you for the follow. Nice nickname. I love it. I like it. It's nice. I also heard like this, like you have a front end, back end, and full stack, right? So I heard like no stack developer, which I found funny as well. Yeah. So we did the get hero, and oh, look at that, we did it correctly. We did it exactly how he did it. And the only thing was he said fetched hero. Okay, now we can keep our, and then there are the backticks. Yeah, so that wouldn't work without the backticks. Template literal, like heroes. At asynchronous signature. Well, that means now it sends the observable thingy. If this returns the observable, did I? I don't even remember us like in the hero detail. Yeah, we did the subscribe dance thingy, so it's all good. It's all good. Somehow it feels like small, the letters. Can you read it? Hopefully you can. Wow, 15 of you are still here. That's unbelievable. So we have the get hero. Oh no, we tried. Find a way back. By clicking the browser back button, you can go back to the hero list. Okay, so we will implement a back button on a hero detail, and we will put it where? We will put it on the top, maybe. Okay, so let's see how intelligent our IntelliJ is. I will go to hero detail component, and here I will create a button, and we will use the click bind thingy of Angular. And here I say go back. It was go back, right? Go back. And what I'm curious is if IntelliJ let us implement it from here. So I press Alt Enter and create a method. Look at that, and we have it here. So we will provide the types. It will take nothing and returns nothing. So I'll say void. We will say void. And okay, what is next? That is all. This location.back. To the location. Okay. That is so that is what the location service was good for, or the location here. Okay. So we do that, and we say this dot location dot back. Here we go. That's all formatted to make it nice, and we can try it. So we go here. I'll say Dr. Nice, and then I say back, and it goes back. Oh, very nice. Final code review. Well, everything works, so I'll kind of skip it. And there's a summary. We are awesome. Yes, we are. Angular router. Yes. App component into navigation channel. Yes. This is which part? This is add in-app navigation. Okay, so the router outlet is the tag which is used where you will display the things which are changing based on the URL on top, right? You configure the router in app routing module. Yeah, app routing module, and that is those guys. It goes like it takes routes, which is a type, and lots of those are like it is optional. You see that question mark like right here. That means it can be there or it doesn't have to be. So we have a path, that's the URL, and then we provided the component, and the component is our component, which we will display. So I'll go back. You define the simple routes, a redirect route and parameterized route. So the simple route and the default route and parameterized. So simple route and redirect route. So redirect, I think, is this guy, and that is like when there is I put, oh, this is the redirect. Yes. So if we put nothing in there, which means just localhost 42000, well, it redirects to a dashboard, which is defined here, the dashboard component. That's where it goes. I don't remember what this does. By default, the router checks URL elements from the left to see if the URL matches the given path. The path match strategy full matches against the entire URL. It is important to do this when redirecting empty path roads. Okay, so the empty path roads, I just have to do empty. I mean full. Otherwise, because an empty path is a prefix of any URL, the router would apply the redirect even when navigating to the redirected destination. Creating an endless loop. Oh, so if I would use like the local host, like whatever, it would like do it all the time, I guess. And then we had the simple ones, which are those which consist of path and the component, which will take care of that. And then we have this parameterized. Is this how you pronounce it? Do I English? Go away. Yes.
Parameterized.
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 Okay, so this is the parameterized parameterized road. Use the router link directive in anchor elements. Yeah, so that is instead of like click or something like that, you can use router link, which will, and that was in the heroes component. As this guy over here. This is the thing, and then you provide the path which you want to go to, and if you do this, you can use like the properties of the which are like in the ng4, for example. Okay, good. You refactor tightly coupled master detail view into routed detail view. Yep. Used. So the tightly coupled was the relationship was parent and children component, and once we open the heroes, and at the bottom there was these details, and now we have in the routed detail, that's the router link which we just saw. It changes the page, right? It's kind of understandable. Like if I click it, we get this. That's what it does. Router link parameters to navigate to the detail view of a user selected hero. You share the hero service among multiple components. Okay, cool. So I will do commit that we finish this in-app navigation. Pretty nice. And this was at what? At in-app navigation. And control commit. Okay. Now we will not check the to-do. Also, I don't care right now. Okay, so that concludes our second round today, and unfortunately, I don't have a much more time to. Let me see. Like, how long will it take it to me to get into the place of the meeting? It should be okay. Here we go. directions. Come on, Google, you can do it. Takes 30 minutes. Okay, so I have to go. It was really nice to have you here. My pleasure. Thank you once again, Ria, for the raid, and for especially to everyone who was like active in the chat. I do appreciate it very much. And we will find someone else to raid. We have someone.
It's probably one of the largest areas we can go. We can probably tap a bunch of people right now and get them involved in what we're doing. And
well, I will stop the music, and so
basement flat. We're gonna get charged by our landlord, whatever.
I raided him the last time, didn't I? I haven't raided the Freeman for a time. He's doing well. He's not doing coding right now. Oh, we can raid him anyway. You can find something about his project. Maybe you will like it. Who knows? Okay, so thank you once again for coming by. Right. And I hope to see you again. I might stream in like 6 to 8 hours, but I do not promise it. In the worst case scenario, I will be streaming tomorrow. So you have a, well, day, morning, whatever. Happy time zone to you. See you next time. Bye bye.
Leaders from Professional Grade Beginner have joined.